This is the four-way cassette of FCU of LG. I will talk about the drainage piping. This is the drainage pipe of this RTU. We don't install any drape here or over there. We install the drape to protect the smell, the bad smell from the gutter that the water flow will go, the flow will go to the gutter. We don't install it at the place or near the RTUs here, but we will install it at the gutter. Okay, let's go see the gutter locations. All the drainage pipe and RTU, it will come from here into the outside of the building. This is the location for the outdoor unit and the drainage pipe, and the inside of this wall, it has the drain, but we already installed it and concrete it with the cement. Anyway, we will install the drape here. The drape inside here, it just protects the bad smell from here to inside of the building. We don't install the drape for all every unit, but we just install the main drape here. It will protect the bad smell correctly.